everyone, my name is Zaina from Nihon, and we're going to be having a series of language posts that hopefully help you with some basic Japanese. Today's lesson will focus on Japanese greetings, Aisatsu. Here are some key greetings to know for each situation. Greetings change depending on the time of day. When you meet your friends in the morning, you will use Ohayo. When talking to your teachers, senpai, or in a business setting, you use more formal Japanese, Ohayo gozaimasu. You should always try to use Ohayo gozaimasu to greet those who are outside of your close circle of friends and family. During the day, you will use konnichiwa. And after sunset, you will use konbanwa, which roughly translates to good evening. Before going to bed, you can use oyasumi nasai, which translates to good night. When saying goodbye to your friends, you can use bye bye, ja ne, or mata ne, which means see you again. For your senpais or senseis, you can use sayonara. In a work setting, you can use otsukaresama deshita or osaki ni shitsurei shimasu. This means thank you for your hard work and pardon me first. In Japan, there are also specific greetings for when someone leaves the house or office. The person who leaves says ittekimasu, which is literally I'll go and come back. And the person staying says itterashai, which means please go and come back. Similarly, when returning home or to the office, you can say tadaima. The person welcoming him or her back says okaeri or okaeri nasai, which means welcome back. You will often hear moshi moshi on the phone at the beginning of a conversation. You can also simply start with a hai. Business callers will most often say osewa ni natte orimasu to show appreciation for the relationship. In stores and restaurants, customers are greeted by an enthusiastic irashaimase, which means welcome and usually does not need a response. Finally, one thing to note is that handshaking is not as common in Japan and bowing is much more customary when greeting someone. I hope that this video was useful, and for those of you interested in further studying Japanese, we offer a variety of online Japanese courses. Please check the link in our description below for more information. See you in the next video!